episode, I've got a backstage pass to Auto Bavaria Service Center to learn all about taking care of a BMW EV. So Chong, when you're thinking about a new car, you definitely have to consider about the long-term care, right? I'm wondering though if there's any differences in maintaining an EV versus a regular car.
The biggest difference is the battery, and the battery is like the heart of the car. Therefore, to optimize your battery health is always come first. Try not to overcharge and keep it between 80 to 100%. That way, you'll get most of our range and the time.
I see, so just like our regular smartphones, right? What about car tires? Can customer use regular ones on the EVs? Do you recommend that?
We highly recommend customers to get the EV standard tires, as they are built for the electric vehicles to get a lower rolling resistance.
What about the tech stuff? I figured with an EV, the software updates must be a bit tricky, right?
Not really. You will get a notification when there are updates. You can easily handle the software changes yourself remotely.
That easy? Now I'm really getting excited. Well, that wraps up my EV journey. I'm so happy for all the friends that I've made in this series and the amazing BMW iX discovery journey. So thank you so much for joining me, and I guess I will see you on the road.